Hello my friends, today's topic is transcendental consciousness and its miraculous effect. In my early age, I used to stutter a lot. Nobody befriended me. I used to be humiliated everywhere. One day my guru, spiritual master Anandada came and told me, Arjun, learn transcendental consciousness technique. He taught me the technique and I didn't know what happened within me. Within 3-4 weeks of practice, slowly and gradually I became the center of attraction among my friends and villagers. And from then onwards there was no looking back. In our transcendental consciousness workshop, we just teach you the technique of taking your mind to the field of transcendental consciousness. And your life will be miraculous and phenomenal. My number is given below in the description. And all the links of the social handles and my blog also given in the description. Stay tuned with us. Namaste.